Stop letting everyone drive your life. Hi guys, welcome back to Real Talk Hustle for today. Real Talk. Sa dami ng relationships natin, family, friends, co-workers, online circles, minsan parang buhay natin nagiging public property na. Pansin nyo, lahat may opinion. Dito ka mag-work. Ito ang safe. Ito ang tama. Huwag yan, baka mag-fail ka. And without noticing it, you start living on other people's expectations instead of your own direction. Alam mo ang gusto mo, pero inuuna mo pa rin yung iniisip nila. And that is why ang hirap mag-move forward. Tama? Hindi dahil kulang ka sa talent or discipline, pero dahil sobrang dami mong ina-assume na kailangan mong i-please. Now, hard truth. You cannot build a life you want while carrying opinions you don't need. Hindi lahat ng advice kailangan sundin. Hindi lahat ng tao kailangan napasayahin. At hindi lahat ng relationship kailangan may say sa direction ng future mo. Kasi, at the end of the day, sila may opinion pero ikaw ay may consequences. Kaya, protect your direction, protect your identity, protect your momentum. Because the moment you stop living for everyone else, dun ka lang talaga nagsisimulang mabuhay para sa sarili mo. Thank you for watching. Andito ka na naman sa Real Talk Hustle, where we turn pain into power.